This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Jamie Green. Welcome home to 548 Pebble Creek Road. This 3-bedroom and 2 full-bath home welcomes you with professional landscaping and open floor plan on a large, oversized level lot. Featuring 1-level living and vaulted ceilings throughout. Both attached and detached garages have ample storage for boats, extra vehicles, etc. Detached garage is 28x26 with concrete floor and concrete slab in front of it for parking more vehicles, or for entertaining. Backyard has a large concrete patio and ample yard space for entertaining as well. Make this ranch-style home yours today. Close to interstates, restaurants, shopping, and hospital. Professional photos will be taken 5/22 and uploaded soon. For more